Steven with WLM, and I'm going to update you on where we're at with this job. So last time we were only 2 courses high, and right now we're 5 courses high, which is as high as we're going to go, except we're putting coping on top, which is where it's going to be level with the patio you're walking on. So we're going to have 2 steps in front of this wall, actually 3 steps in front of this wall that are going to lead up onto the patio. These steps are going to start in that corner and wrap all the way around to this corner, and it's going to lead into a flagstone walkway right here. More progress to come.